Metal forming simulation and analysis is a specialized field of engineering that uses computational methods to model how metals deform during manufacturing processes. The primary objective is to predict material behavior under large plastic deformation, optimize process parameters, minimize defects, and improve final product quality while reducing reliance on costly and time-consuming physical prototyping. Metal forming itself is a fundamental manufacturing approach in which metals are plastically reshaped into desired geometries without material removal, relying instead on external forces applied through tools such as dies, punches, rollers, or presses. Common processes include forging, extrusion, rolling, drawing, bending, stamping, sheet metal forming, drilling, composite forming, waterjet cutting, and other deformation-based operations. Because these processes involve significant shape changes and complex material responses, accurate analysis is essential for efficient and reliable design. Simulating metal forming processes is particularly important because experimental trials often require large-scale machinery, expensive tooling, repeated trial-and-error adjustments, and substantial material consumption, with defects sometimes appearing only at late stages of development. Computational simulation allows engineers to predict material flow, identify potential defects at an early stage, optimize tooling geometry, reduce production costs and cycle time, and improve overall process safety and performance. By understanding how the material behaves throughout the forming sequence, engineers can make informed decisions before committing to physical production. Metal forming simulation is grounded in continuum mechanics and advanced material modeling. The mechanical behavior of metals undergoing plastic deformation is described using constitutive models that capture elastic plastic response, flow stress behavior, strain hardening characteristics, and when necessary, strain rate and temperature dependence. These models are critical for representing cold, warm, and hot forming processes. Because forming operations involve extreme shape changes, simulations must account for large deformation mechanics using nonlinear kinematics and formulations such as updated Lagrangian or arbitrary Lagrangian-Eulerian methods. The interaction between tools and the workpiece also plays a central role, requiring accurate contact and friction modeling to represent shear stresses, lubrication effects, and in advanced analyses, tool wear. In many forming processes, heat generation due to plastic work and friction significantly influences material behavior, making coupled thermomechanical simulation and heat transfer modeling an essential component of realistic analysis. Numerically, metal forming simulations are most commonly performed using the finite element method, which is well suited for predicting stress, strain, and deformation in both bulk and sheet metal forming. Implicit finite element formulations are often used for quasi-static processes such as deep drawing, where stability is important, while explicit formulations are preferred for highly nonlinear or dynamic operations such as forging. In cases involving extremely large deformations where mesh distortion becomes excessive, alternative approaches such as finite volume methods or mesh-free techniques like smoothed particle hydrodynamics may be employed to maintain numerical robustness. The outputs of metal forming simulations provide engineers with detailed insight into material flow and final part geometry, strain and strain rate distributions, residual stresses, and thickness variations in sheet metal components. Simulations also enable prediction of common forming defects such as wrinkling, tearing, springback, cold shuts, and folding, as well as estimation of tool forces and potential wear. These results are directly used to refine tool design, adjust process speed, select appropriate lubrication strategies, and control forming temperatures to achieve the desired product quality. A wide range of commercial software tools supports metal forming analysis, each tailored to specific applications such as sheet metal forming, bulk forming, forging, or highly nonlinear dynamic processes. In recent years, the field has continued to evolve through innovations such as AI-assisted process optimization, digital twins of manufacturing lines, multi-scale material modeling, advanced damage and failure criteria, real-time simulation for process control, and hybrid modeling of additive and forming processes. These developments are steadily increasing the accuracy, efficiency, and industrial relevance of metal forming simulations. Overall, metal forming simulation and analysis has become an essential component of modern manufacturing engineering. By integrating material science, nonlinear mechanics, and numerical modeling, it enables industries to design efficient and reliable forming processes while reducing cost and improving product performance. In this comprehensive course, you will explore both fundamental principles and advanced applications of forming analysis and simulation using Abaqus software. Through 15 detailed, hands-on tutorials, you will gain a strong theoretical foundation together with practical simulation experience. Each tutorial is supported by step-by-step video instruction, Abaqus model files, simulation codes, and a relevant research paper to reinforce learning. The course spans a broad range of engineering applications, including CFRP forming processes, electrohydraulic forming using pressure, time models and acoustic methods, explosive forming, incremental forming, hydroforming analysis, chip formation, three-dimensional cold extrusion, drilling of aluminum and steel materials, milling cutting simulation, waterjet cutting analysis, rubber compression testing, crashworthiness analysis of aluminum profiles, and crushing analysis of foam. Aluminum tubes, providing a comprehensive view of metal forming behavior across diverse manufacturing scenarios. FEM provides a powerful and flexible framework for realistically analyzing and simulating concrete structures. By capturing material nonlinearity, cracking behavior, and complex geometries, engineers can predict performance, optimize design, and ensure safety and reliability. This package is ideal for mechanical manufacturing students and researchers. With lifetime access to downloadable resources, you can learn at your own pace anytime and anywhere. I hope you have a good understanding of this package, but for more questions and details on each section, please visit our website Engineering Downloads or email us at info@engineeringdownloads.com.